Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hardpoint in Call of Duty Mobile. Hardpoint is an objective-based game mode where two teams battle to control a designated area on the map. Your primary goal is to capture and hold these rotating zones, called hardpoints, to accumulate points for your team. The team that reaches 150 points first, or has the most points when the time runs out, secures the victory. Effective movement is crucial for success in Hardpoint. Anticipate the next hardpoint location and rotate early to establish a strong defensive position. Utilize the map's layout to your advantage, finding cover and pre-aiming angles where enemies are likely to push. Communication with your team is key. Call out enemy positions and coordinate pushes to overwhelm opponents and maintain control of the objective. Selecting the right loadout significantly impacts your performance. Opt for versatile weapons like assault rifles or SMGs that perform well in various engagements. Perks such as toughness are essential for gunfights, reducing flinch when you're hit. A trophy system can be a game changer, protecting your team from incoming grenades and tactical equipment. Quick Fix is also excellent for staying in the fight, regenerating health immediately after a kill. Hardpoint is a team-oriented mode, and strong communication is vital. Constantly call out enemy positions, especially those pushing the hardpoint, and inform your team about the objective status. Coordinate roles. Some players can focus on holding the hardpoint, while others push out to eliminate threats. Supporting your teammates with cover fire and working together to break enemy defenses will significantly increase your chances of victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.